We would like to introduce you to the latest addition in Vetlab's EasyView range. This is a hand-picked range of digital microscopes carefully selected for their optimal viewing experience, with the emphasis on easy viewing. This microscope is called the Euromex BioBlue LCD and comes with a 7-inch HD LCD screen featuring an integrated camera for videos and photographs. The microscope itself is a finite LED optical system with 45mm semi-plan objectives for enhanced quality and flatter images. This microscope does not need a binocular or trinocular head. Instead, it is fitted with just the LCD viewing screen, making it more compact and versatile. It is also time-saving, as there is no need to keep refocusing through the eyepieces. It is also ideal for anyone that struggles to view through traditional eyepieces and helps prevent associated eye strain and headaches. Due to the enhanced view that the LCD screen provides, it also improves accuracy. To show you how easy this system is to use and view, we will now show you the following: a gram stain smear and a blood stain smear. To enhance the view, the menu has the following features which can be accessed via the keypad on the back: white balance, exposure, line measurement, colour adjustment, record video, other functions, monochrome, rotate image, and FOV, field of view, a feature which allows you to zoom in and out, increasing the magnification up to 2 times without loss of detail, avoiding the necessity to use an oil objective. This function can be accessed at any time by just using the up and down arrows on the menu keypad. Photos can be taken by a simple press of the button here. Photos and videos will be stored on the SD card which is included. These images and videos can then be viewed, saved and sent by downloading them onto your phone or computer using an SD card reader. The microscope comes with a 10-year warranty and the screen has a 2-year warranty. We are so confident in the benefits of this microscope that we also offer it with a 7-day money-back guarantee.